This is the story of three little seahorses and a big bad shark. Once upon a time, in a shimmering blue ocean, three little seahorses lived happily near a coral reef. The youngest was little Green Seahorse, small and curious. The middle one, Blue Seahorse, was brave and clever. And the biggest, Pink Seahorse, was wise and strong. On the other side of the reef, the seagrass was fresher and the water was warmer. The seahorses decided to swim toward the coral bridge that leads to the other side. But lurking in the shadows of the bridge is Grumbles, the big bad shark, his sharp teeth glinting as he watches them approach. Greenie, the smallest seahorse, decides to go first and nervously swims toward the coral bridge. Just as she reaches the middle, a dark figure rushes up from below. Oh no, it's the big bad shark.
Who's swimming over my coral bridge? I am going to gobble you up.
Oh no, I'm too tiny. My big brother is right behind me, and he's much bigger and tastier.
Grumbles smirks and lets Greenie pass, waiting for the next seahorse. Bluey swims up next. Bubbles rise as Grumbles swoops in.
Who's swimming over my coral bridge? I am going to gobble you up.
Grumbles says, "Aha, now I'll have a tasty snack." Bluey thinks and says, "Wait, my big sister is coming. She's the biggest and tastiest of us all." Grumbles, greedy for a bigger meal, lets Bluey go. Now, the bigger seahorse, Pinky, reaches the bridge. But before she can swim past, Grumbles charges toward her.
Who dares swim over my reef? I'm going to gobble you up.
Try to catch me first.
Pinky quickly darts around, leading the shark in circles. Then, with a powerful flick of his tail, she kicks up a cloud of sparkling sand, blinding the shark. Shark shouts, "Ah, I can't see." Pinky zooms across the bridge and joins his brothers safely. The three seahorses cheer and dance in the seagrass, celebrating their clever escape. Meanwhile, the shark shakes his head, still covered in sand. Shark thought, maybe I should stop being a bully and find my own food. The shark swims away, leaving the seahorses to enjoy their fresh seagrass in peace. Moral of the story: cleverness and teamwork can help you overcome any challenge, even a big bad shark. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more such adventurous stories. Bye-bye.